Alright, hello. Today I've got another punch-out board. I'm looking at the back board in particular. This is a CHP1 01 back. And everything passes through it that's supposed to, but it's not generating the background correctly on the top or the bottom monitor. So I'll show you what that looks like. So it's very odd. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the EPROMs, just verify that they're correct, and then I'll start looking around for some missing signals or stuck signals on the backboard. Looks like this has been maybe crunched just a little, so I don't see any shorts so far. So let me test the EPROMs and then I'll be back. Okay, we're back. So these are kind of like the smeared graphics we had before, but before they were smeared on a Donkey Kong. So this leads me to believe something with the EPROMs is stuck. Let's look a little closer at the board. Alright, so I'm looking here at the EPROMs and the signals V, V1, 2, and 4, which is on pins 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. Almost nothing. 9, almost nothing too, and 10. Let's see where they're generated from. Okay, if I look on the schematics, those come straight from P3. Pins 38, 40, 38, 40, and 42 out of this guy. Oh no, look at this. Oh gosh. Let's plug it in and see what we got. Oh my gosh. Well, well, that's funny. So, the edge connector wasn't plugged in all the way. Well, I guess that's not really a repair, so we're probably not going to put this one up on the net. But anyway, that's funny. All right, lesson learned. Make sure everything's plugged in when you when you test a board. Thanks for watching.